The street's a little disappointed. The stock is down 5% or so last time I was checking. Explain the miss.
Great to be with you. Thank you. Well, let me answer that question on two levels. Number one, the media industry in general. If you take a step back, it hasn't been a great couple of months for the industry, and I think what's happening is, as an industry, we're going through a transformation, and there are a lot of things happening. Subscriber trends. There's talk about skinny bundles, direct-to-consumer offerings, and I think in that context, investors are having a bit of a hard time to model out the future. As they look at the valuation of media companies. We're obviously very bullish. Discovery has a very strong story, a core business that is throwing off a lot of cash every year, and we're making a lot of progress on our own direct-to-consumer initiatives, which we're funding with that cash flow that we're generating. So we're very positive on the strategy and the outlook. Today's call did contain one slightly negative message. I have reduced our outlook for the international affiliate growth to only high single digit. The expectation previously was low double digit. And I think that has come across as a slight disappointment. There has been less pickup of the macroeconomic environment in Latin America. And the natural disasters weren't helpful either.
That's a huge disappointment, because I think that was one of the pillars that folks were depending on for Discovery. Given that there's a lot of headwinds domestically facing the company, not least of all subscriber growth, what's your forecast for domestic subscriber growth, which has been dropping down 2.7% for the traditional cable TV part of the business?
Well, as a matter of fact, on the domestic side, we're actually quite positive. I just reiterated our forecast of mid-single digits for the year. We've delivered a 6% in the third quarter, so I think that's a strong number. And it's a combination of, as you rightly said, some subscriber losses, but we've been able to increase prices going into the last renewal cycle at a CAGR of high single digits. So that's been supporting our growth rate here.